Are you having a hard time falling asleep? Or you want to have a high quality of sleep? Do you want to know some natural remedies that makes you fall asleep instantly? Sit back and relax because in this video, we will share to you some amazing ideas that makes you sleep faster and no prescription is needed. Sounds good, right? So stay tuned until the very end so that you will know what we are talking about. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will share some tips and ideas in natural ways to become healthy. Wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And always remember, life is beautiful. There are plenty of solutions to rest that can help you sleep quickly, and the best part of it, no prescription needed. It is common for a few individuals to have difficulty falling asleep. Sleeplessness affects memory thinking. It will lessen the capacity to recollect, focus, and perform a task. Sleeplessness can also cause anxiety and irritability. After a sleepless night or the night that you are trying to sleep, the following day you will face the drained condition of fatigue and also headache. You can naturally observe if the person is restless because it can be seen with their face and even the way they talk or move. You can observe that the person is pale and there is a black bag under the eyes which grows and swells, which is better known as an eye bag. There is also a tendency that when you approach that person, they are angry even if there is no reason to be angry at all. It is because their mental state is affected because they lack of sleep. If you have been insomnia for a long time, it can decrease your immune system, which will help in fighting diseases, decrease libido, promotes weight gain, and also it affects the sexual ability that can be a risk factor in terms of abortion, infertility, or depression. Sleeplessness can also develop diseases like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. If the insomnia gets worse, death can occur because the human body cannot persist without more than 7 to 10 days of sleep. Sleeping pills are not the solution to your problem because the human body will be dependent rapidly on medicine and it can destroy other elements of our lives. If you are one of those individuals who are dealing with lack of sleep, then here are several herbal remedies that you can try to restore sleep, helps to get well rested, feeling great, and refreshed and in a good mood. But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. This natural remedy contains only 3 ingredients, which will help the body to reduce stress and relieve hormones. So, if you follow this recipe, you will wake up in the morning more relaxed and fresh. This natural treatment is not only safe for both men and women, but also for children. As a matter of fact, they do not develop any allergy or intolerance to any ingredients. To set up this natural remedy for lack of sleep, you will need the following: a quarter teaspoon of raw or organic honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and a pinch of sea salt. Combine all the ingredients, coconut oil, sea salt, and honey, stir it well, and put 1 tablespoon of the mixture, then drink it on the glass of water. The coconut fat will give the body energy overnight, so you better consume it before sleeping. The coconut oil will also prevent the body glucose level from rising, and you will not get hungry anymore. Honey will improve your rest, and the sweet fluid will restore the liver with glycogen, expected to prevent the emergency trigger from the cerebrum. A hormone called melatonin can be one of the causes that you can rest. By the time that you consume honey before bedtime, they will start to burn more fat throughout your long periods of sleep. You can even replace your regular sugar with honey in your eating regimen or diet to restore the balance in the mind signal that encourages and helps you sleep better. The sweet liquid of honey will replenish the liver with glycogen and stop the trigger from the brain. Sea salt is also another effective ingredient that helps in lowering your level of stress hormones. Using a sea salt will also help to calm you down and make you sleep longer. In some cases, you can absolutely improve your breast hygiene by following these simple tips. Number 1. Try to limit your daytime resting to half an hour or less than that. Number 2. Take 20 minutes of your time per day to exercise. Number 3. Do not drink caffeine and various energizers or any stimulants before bedtime. And last but not the least, avoid oily nourishments like fried meals, pizza, cheeseburgers, donuts, potato chips, french fries, and so much more before sleeping time. In conclusion, some people would prefer using natural alternatives to sleep rather than using medication. Non-prescription sleeping aids are usually considered to be natural. Following this natural remedy will encourage you to relax more, ease tension, and promote advanced rest. Going to bed early will also help to regulate your hormones. That helps your appetite and will cut down some of your cravings, because if you are still up late at night, you might constantly feel the requirements to consume food. This natural remedy is typically good for everyone who is having a difficult time in falling asleep. You need at least 8 to 10 hours to get the high quality of sleep. Always monitor your sleeping time because better sleep will result in better you. So, what do you think about the video that we shared? Are you going to try it? Please write your comments below to share your tips and amazing ideas. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to share this video to your friends to keep them motivated. And also, click that subscribe button to know some amazing tips and ideas that we will share. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. And always remember, life is beautiful.